Hello, this is Riverian Taisiri. I'm going to show you how we can engage our students using the Quizlet. And first, you have to have an account on Quizlet.com, and you have to create a class, and you will get a corresponding ID. Fortunately, this is a class which has been created by Dr. Neri in this online course called Live Online Virtual Engagement. What we have to do now is to create a study set like this. You click on Create here, and you will have the title. This is what I have written inside, and you have to provide a summary. It's a kind of a description of what you have typed here, and you will use some cards. It's like in the game of cards, where you have to provide the term and the explanation, the definition of that. Because I want to describe or to provide the capital cities of African countries. Suppose, for example, you have Nigeria. Sorry, if you have, for example, Nigeria or Ghana for the time being, Ghana, you will have the corresponding capital city. Nigeria like this, Ethiopia like this, Algeria, for example, I have to complete here for Algeria. Uh, Let me take all Algeria, for example. Let me take Algeria here. You will write here, and I will continue filling here by adding some cards like this. This is the fifth. I have to fill in with the fifth, and until I finish all the 54 countries, independent countries, and I can add also, because we have in Africa some dependent countries, and they are four. I have to fill in here. As you can see, after creating all uh, uh, African countries with their corresponding administrative capital cities, I have to create here. You have to create your study set like this, and you will be saving what you have written. And this is the flashcard you have created, and this is the link you can communicate. You can send to uh, your student, for example. You can copy this link, you can share it on Google Classroom, and you can also what I have to do for the time being, because I will be using this one in Moodle for teachers assignment. I have to copy this. Let me put here. I'll be back on this, and I have to finish with that. And here you have created the flashcard. Once, for example, you have created Ghana as a country, an African country, and you click on it, you will see the corresponding capital city. This is the second slide, like this. Unfortunately, I don't know where the two countries has been. Perhaps I have deleted them, but I have to complete the list. And Nigeria, you have Abuja. No, it means that here I have to go back because it is Lagos. Ethiopia, this is Addis Ababa, as you can see, this one, and you continue until you end. But you want also to learn about what you have created. Here, you got it. For example, Asmara. Asmara. This is a capital city of which country? And you have to select this one because it is the Eritrea. You will see that it is correct. Cairo is which capital city? is the capital city of which country? Here, this is for Egypt. You see that is correct. Alger, this is the capital city of which country? Algeria, Lesotho, Somalia, Niger, and so on and so on. This is Algeria. You can see that until you finish. And if you go back, you can see that you can create a test, or you can play with the matching quiz, where you have, for example, suppose you have Tunisia, you have Nairobi, for example. You drag and drop into Kenya and it will disappear. Suppose you have, for example, Kinshasa. Kinshasa, this is the capital city of Congo, Kinshasa, like this. It will disappear. And if you go back, you have you have a test here. Test here. Suppose you have to fill in with any, with this is the capital city, and you have to provide the country like this, like that. Suppose this is Guinea, uh, Guinea, and here you have the this is Congo Kinshasa, Congo Kinshasa, Congo Kinshasa, Dakar. This is the capital city of Senegal, Tripoli, and so on and so on until you finish. Yeah, let me finish because then this is Libya. This is from Mali, and so on and so on. Here we have a matching question, and we have 5 matching questions. For example, if you want to draw here, you write the corresponding letter here. Suppose, I don't know if this is A, this is E, this is for Congo Brazza, this is the C. Pretoria, no, this is for the Western, this is El Ayun, this is B, and this is D. This is D, for example. And here we have a multiple choice. Juba. Well, Juba is a capital city of which countries among the following? And the Juba is the capital city of South Sudan. Malabo is for this one. Alger, this is for this one. Maputo is for this one. N'Djamena is for this one. Here we have another set of true or false questions. Yaoundé, is it the capital city of Comoros? True or false? This is false. Banjul, is it this one, the capital city of Namibia? This is true. I will see, I will check, but yes, I don't remember. So, Jamestown, this is for the yes. And for Harare, yes, this is true. Bujumbura, this is true. And you have to check the answers. Oh, I have failed. And I got the 90% here. It means that for Marabo is not this one. It is for Guinea, Equatorial Guinea. And I will see, I will check again where I have failed. Yeah, only this one. If you go back, you have another feature for spelling. For spelling, here you will write what you hear. Here you click here to start audio audio like this one. Okay, this is Marable. It means that here you will write Equatorial uh, Guinea like this, and this is correct. This is Burkina Faso, Burkina Faso, and so on and so on. And you click, this is Mali, and so on and so on. If you go back again, you have another game about the gravity. The gravity here, I think that if let's go, you will see something falling here. You this is Ethiopia, and it will be Addis Ababa. I think it's like this one. I don't know. Yes, Senegal. This is for Dakar, and you continue. You continue until you get here. You can pause also. If you go back here, you have another feature about the live. You can create a live game. Suppose we have a team here. A team here. Accra is it the capital city of Ghana? Is it the capital city of this one? And you click on this one, and you have to create. If you have the, they will use this number as a password in order to enter the room for the Quizlet, because it will be live. Let me because I have to give also this one to my team, and I will send this link to them with the corresponding code so that they can practice. Thank you very much, and I thank you for having watched this one. And let us. I wish that I will improve exploring some features of Quizlet. Thank you very much.